In this tutorial I will going to show on how to ultimate high-end retouching techniques in Photoshop. Welcome to our channel Shazim Creations. Thanks for watching our new tutorial. Please stay with us and watch full tutorial. So let's start now. Firstly, open your image in Photoshop. This image I want to make ultimate high-end retouching. Manually 2 times copy this layer or press Ctrl J. Rename this 2-layer. First layer is detail skin texture and second layer is smooth skin. Now select smooth skin layer, then go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Now select detail skin texture layer, then go to image, then apply image. Here is layer, select to smooth skin. Blending, select to subtract. And scale is 2 and offset is 128, then OK. Follow my next work carefully. Now select from blend mode linear light. Now select your smooth skin layer and convert to smart object. Select this layer and go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Now select Smart Filter. Then manually go to Image, then Adjustments, then Invert, or press Ctrl I. Now select this Smart Filter and make sure to select Brush Tool. And must be select your foreground color is white. And opacity is low, then use on face for smooth skin. Now copy this layer and drag to top for sharpness skin. Select this layer, then go to filter. than other than high pass. Then from blend mode select linear light. Now select your sharpness skin layer and hold Alt key and mask this layer. Now select brush tool and make sure to foreground color is white and apply on face. Now select your top of the layer and press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now remove spot skin. Use spot healing tool and patch tool for remove your skin spot. Now apply color balance for more effective. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.